This is the GUSGU Mini Portable Fan. So this is a rechargeable handheld USB cooling fan with 3 adjustable speeds with a very flexible base. So you can really turn those exactly how you need it. You could even wrap them around handles if need be. So you can see there's a Type-C cord at the back. That is how you charge it up, but it can charge up and be used without being plugged in for up to 8 hours. So 3 speed settings. You can see I'm just kind of playing around with them. Button is at the back. A light pink light will emit when it's on. And I do like that you can use it while it's still charging, which is just super convenient. It does have a few different color selections, black, green. I've got the pink here as well as white. Cord does come included. And it does run super quietly with quite a bit amount of strength. So great if you're wanting to use this in the summer. You can see I'm really cooling down with this after some pool time. And will come with a user manual. So definitely check it out. A great little fan to keep you cool this summer.